Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying all of my videos. In today's video, I am sharing with you super stunning and amazing crochet baby blankets ideas. You will see different types of patterns in this video. Most of these designs are made using contrasting color schemes, and multicolor color yarn is also used in some of the designs, like you can see this one, which is looking very pretty and attractive. Along with skin color, a multicolor yarn is used, and some rounds are made with a few rounds are basically made with skin color, and then more rounds are made with multicolor yarn, which is also looking very attractive and stunning. And you will see very soft baby pink, whites, and very soft to eyes baby colors, which are looking very stunning and attractive. And you will see patterns with textured look as well, and 3D patterns are also included in this video, so you will find different kinds of ideas, and I hope you're gonna love them all as well. Most of these designs are beginner friendly and you can easily make them. Like you can see this beautiful and most basic pattern of granny square. Simply just a blanket sized granny square patch is made, and then shelf stitch is made along the borders, looking very stunning and attractive. And you can see this beautiful ruffle border as well, which is made on granny square patches. This one is a flower blanket. Simple 6 petal flowers are made in contrasting colors and then joined together, which are also looking very stunning. In some of the blankets you will also see ribbons, like the previous one was having a ribbon, and you can see this Afghan square flower works in these blankets as well. So basically in this video you will find patchwork patterns, and you will find 2 row 3 row repeat pattern, or even a single row repeat patterns, and then borders are made using different shell stitches, bubble stitch patterns, and other modified stitches pattern or chain picot patterns on this one. So all these designs are super lovely and attractive, and I hope you're gonna love them all as well. So if you love them, just give this video a big thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more videos like this. And if you love these designing ideas, just take a screenshot of any specific design which you like the most and you want to make. Mostly beginner friendly patterns are included, so you can easily make them just with the help of picture as well. And I have uploaded different blanket patterns and different square patterns on my channel already, which you can use to make these types of blanket projects as well. So these blankets are mostly baby blankets size, but these blankets can be used on easy chairs for adults as well, just to cover legs, or you can make them in bigger size for using them as chair blankets as well.